Hi, today I'm showing you how to change sound settings in screen recorder into your TCL 20L. First of all, go into settings, then find advanced feature, this one. Then from the list choose screen recorder option. And now we got a sound option, so press it. And here we can choose, for example, sound from microphone or without sound. So now I got from microphone. For example, I choose mute and press to choose, and it's saving. So easy, right? Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.